But there is a defense. The Sentinel.
Auditing the machine. Finding the bias before it finds you.
TradingMaster AI finds the tilt in the data flow. Before the market reacts, you have the truth. Protecting your device. Your window to the market. Bias detected negatus neutralizing. Active defense, not just watching, but correcting. Filtering the noise, keeping the signal pure. Filtering the noise, keeping the signal pure.
Your choice, verified by independent intelligence.
Cooling the market. Bringing back rationality. Predictive protection. Staying ahead of the crash. Certified fair. The new standard for the 2026 market. A new partnership. Human oversight. Machine speed.
The global shield. Building a network of trust.
Secure currency. Value you can verify.
Peace of mind. The ghost is no longer in control.
The unbreakable vault. Your data, your rules.
Integrity confirmed.
Trust restored. The market's foundation is rebuilt. The power is back in your hands. Turn the Sentinel on.
Solid growth. Not a bubble, but a build-up.
Curing the bias. Fixing the systemic errors of the past. The future of AI is neutral. The future of AI is you. The right direction. For the savvy, biased-free investor. Smart allocation. Diversifying data, not just assets.
Diversification optimized. Sustainable finance. Built to last through the volatility. Tangible alpha. Real profits through real intelligence. The beacon of truth in a sea of manipulated data.
Growing trust. One verified transaction at a time. Open source logic. No more black box secrets. Transparency 100%.
Integrated security. A system that works for you. Protected packets. Securing the information that moves money.
The return of the human. Intuition backed by neutral AI. Collaborative growth. Designing the future together.
Universal protection. Leveling the playing field.
Mission complete. The ghost has been evicted. Bias neutralized. Market is stable.
Wealth 2.0. Reclaiming your financial future. Instant verification. Don't trade on hope, trade on proof. Empowered investing. Technology serving your goals.
The ultimate promise. Security you can see and feel.
Your portfolio is safe. Optimized architecture. Engineering fairness into the code. Switching to safety.
choosing the Sentinel way.
Welcome to TradingMaster Sentinel.
The start of the journey. A new era of trading. Audited assets. Knowing exactly what you own.
The visionary investor. Seeing beyond the algorithm's bias.
Clearing the path for a smarter, fairer financial world.
Advanced security meets artificial intelligence.